Rubbing ice on your face every alternate day or twice a week, if you have dry skin. Rubbing ice on your face every day can irritate your skin and cause flakiness. Applying frozen aloe vera on your face helps to hydrate the skin and tighten pores. It also helps to heal sunburns and reduce acne. Today in this video, I will share how to make aloe vera ice cubes for hydrating skin. You will need 1 cup of rose water. Rose water is a soft beauty substance that removes your makeup and moisturizes your skin. After a long day at work, a simple massage with this cube will lighten your skin and lift your spirits. This will battle infections, diminish wrinkles, and offer your skin a fresh cleanup when frozen into ice cubes. Add in this 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Rose water becomes magical when it combines with other ingredients like aloe vera gel. The mixture makes the skin healthy, powers the skin barrier, and prevents water loss by locking in the moisture of the skin. Add ½ teaspoon of glycerin. Glycerin is great for the skin because it acts as a humectant, which is a substance that allows the skin to retain moisture. It can increase skin hydration, relieve dryness, and refresh the skin's surface. It's also an emollient, which means it can soften skin. Mix these ingredients, add an ice cubes tray, daily rub on your face and wash it off with plain water.